is?
It's a bug.
Mommy, yeah?
It's pretty. You can't touch it. Look. Pretty. Pretty. No, don't. It's nice. Let's not hurt it.
Grasshopper with some leaf. Where did you find it, Mommy?
Mommy found it.
I found it on a common driveway.
It's walking. It's like a little animal.
Sarah's in blue and Allison's in white.
Where? Where did you find it?
See how pretty it is?
I found it.
No, you can't touch it.
I found
You want it to go on
Yeah,
you?
Michael found it.
Uh-oh.
Oh, look, it flew away.
Where did you find it?
Yeah, it's on your shirt. It's on Daddy's shirt, huh?
You want to go on you?
No. I
Okay.
want it to go on me.
Okay. Now it tickles. Now it tickles.
Okay, let me first.
Okay, give me your hand. Actually, you don't want to? Okay, here we go. You know, it tickles a little bit. It won't hurt you.
There's Lillian.
There it is. You see how ticklish it is? Uh-oh. There we go. There we go.
Good.